Welcome to Asian Maritime Technological College, known as Amcol, which vision is beyond horizon. The vision of Amcol is to be among the leading world-class maritime institutes and logistics in Asia and beyond. Amcol has four main areas of studies. The first, nautical management. Second, marine engineering. Third, maritime business and logistic management. Fourth, offshore oil and gas. The mission of Amcol is to develop learners effectively to become quality professionals able to work within the country and internationally. Amcol curriculum. Amcol has two main curriculum. The first, vocational education. Under vocational education, we have vocational certificate, mostly for business computer. Second, we have high vocational certificate in logistics management. Under maritime education, we have nautical department, which is a 5 years course. We also have marine engineering department, which is a 5 years course. And lastly, we have maritime business, which is a 4 years course. Under Quality Assurance Management System, QAMS, we have a couple of missions that support us. We have IMO, International Maritime Organization. We have the Thai Marine Department. We also have ISO 9001 and many others who support in the core mission of the college. Amcol is also a member of VINCO. Amcol is also collaborated in terms of education with World Maritime University in Sweden. The number of students report in 2013 to 2017. In academic year 2013, Amcol had 358 students. In 2014, Amcol had 592 students. In 2015, Amcol had 621 students. In 2016, Amcol had 537 students. In 2017, Amcol had 618 students. Under the Education Board Management, we have Captain Chelevut Tanzowa, who is a member and also he is the CEO of Bata Group. We have Captain Butalia, who is the Quality Assurance Manager, and also he is now the Director of Maritime Studies. Moreover, in the management team of Amcol, headed by Mr. Naronsat Pansor, he is the Director of Amcol with all competent faculty members. In addition, Amcol is also proud to have a multicultural professionals in our work team. Facilities. Amcol has two main buildings, that is Pacific Building and Atlantic Building, with many classrooms and offices in these buildings. We have a workshop for practical activities for the students. Amcol has a Maritime Simulation Center. The first is Full Mission Bridge Simulator.
This is our Maritime Simulator Center.
Here we have the full Mission Bridge Simulator Center. In this simulation center, we have all the necessary equipment. Here on the bridge, we prepare the students, the cadets, and also officers, chief officers, masters, before they go on board the ship. Here in our full Mission Bridge Simulator, we have all the equipment to prepare you before you go on board the ship. The second is full Mission Engine Room Simulator.
First of all, simulator training, how it can be of use to students or seafarers. First of all, simulator training is mandatory now from IMO. Now secondly is using simulator training, we can train the seafarers or students effectively. We can create the troubles again and again in the simulation mode. So we can train students to take proper action, which is not possible in real ship. Secondly, at Amcol now we have a full functional engine room simulator.
The next is Liquid Cargo Operation Simulator.
Or introduce you about our liquid cargo simulator. We have this liquid cargo simulator from Transas. It is a state of the art it is a state of the art simulator. Now what does I mean by that? It is a highly realistic tool. This Transas liquid cargo simulator is made on specific data from actual ships, actual performance data. So it is highly realistic tool. It behaves or simulates the real conditions on the ship as realistically as possible. So using this, we can train from operational level to management level. So we can train for a specific subsystem. For example, if you want to train your trainee only about some specific system, for example inert gas system, so we can train them in detail thoroughly to the entire loading or discharging process. For example, right now you can absorb in liquid cargo operation we have many operations. For example, loading, discharging, inerting, gas freeing, tank washing.
The next is ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display and Information System Simulator.
Hello, my name is Bojana Ljubec. I come from Slovenia. I'm a maritime instructor for ECDIS simulator. ECDIS simulator is equipped with ultra-modern technology and teaching tools to provide sophisticated maritime training for nautical and technical officers and students. ECDIS is a paperless chart simulator and allows for realistic training programs for any bridge crew and students working with the nautical charts. Transas solution designed to comply with the relevant requirements of the latest STCW amendments and meeting the objectives and training requirements for the revised IMO Modular Course 1.27.
The last but not the least is GMDSS Simulator, Global Maritime Distress and Safety System Simulator.
Transas GMDSS Simulator imitate ship-to-ship communication and ship-to-shore station. Transas GMDSS Simulator imitate actual ship-to-ship communication and ship-to-shore station using highly realistic simulated terrestrial and satellite communicational system. GMDSS simulator is fully compliant with the STCW 2010 and IMO Model Course 1.25. So trainee can be familiarized with the correct operation of a variety GMDSS equipment for distress and general communication at sea.
The students' dormitory is close to the college. There is also an additional new building. We have swimming pool and other facilities in its premises under construction. These students are the successful product of Amcol, working in prestigious companies. Training. Amcol has Amcol International Maritime Training Center. The vision and the mission is to be the quality maritime education center to provide world-class maritime education training to the seafarers. All Amcol's courses are as per the STCW 2010. The training facilities are very good. They are all available close to the college. We also have great classroom facilities and many others. Research. Amcol is also proud to have a research center, Asian Research and Development Center, R&D. R&D vision and scope of work is to attain research projects, to encourage research in classroom management, to lecturers and educational personnel development. Projects for 2016 in R&D. Asian Research and Development Center projects were occupational standards and professional qualification for navigation of fishing vessel, marine engineering of fishing vessel, and fishing gear.
วิทยาลัยเทคโนโลยีพาณิชย์นาวีแห่งท้องทะเลกว้างใหญ่